Gemma Atkinson, 38, has shared her disappointment that her fiancé Gorka Marquez, and partner Helen Skelton, 39, lost the Strictly Come Dancing final last night. When Helen described Gorka as a credit to his family ahead of the results being announced, eagle-eyed viewers spotted Gemma in tears as she watched on from the audience. In view of her 1.8 million Instagram followers, Gemma shared an update on how she and Gorka were feeling after the Strictly winners had been announced. Hamza Yassin and Jovita Gistal have become the latest stars to lift the Glitterball trophy on the popular BBC show. As Gemma and Gorka walked home from the Strictly after party in some warm winter clothes, she said, "We're here. Just got back. We're gutted. I'm gutted." Gorka paused for a moment, before adding, "What can I say? Life moves on." "Life moves on," Gemma agreed. "You both did fab and Helen's marvelous, bless her. She smashed it," Gorka added, as Gemma continued, "Just having some bevies and a pizza, and to top off the night, look what wardrobe we found for Mia." At this point, Gemma pulled out a glittery silver crown. "A crown," Gemma exclaimed, "who needs a glitter ball trophy when you've got a crown? Thank you so much for your lovely messages and for everyone who voted," she continued, as Gorka chimed in, "Thank you, it means the world." Gemma and Gorka share 3-year-old daughter Mia, who has been excitedly following her dad's progress on the show for the first time this year. Last night, Gemma was reduced to tears after watching Gorka and Helen dance for the final time before losing the title. She was spotted in the audience at El Stray Studios, where she was joined by her radio co-host Mike Toulon and the couple's joint friend Fraser Knox. The 4 remaining pairs went head-to-head with a series of 3 dance routines each, as they bid to win the public vote. Other competitors included CBBC actress Molly Reinford and Carlos Gu, as well as X Factor star Floriste and Vito Coppola. After Gemma and Gorka performed their very last routine, Gemma couldn't hide her emotions as Helen opened up to Strictly presenter Claudia Winkleman. "I get lots of credit," Helen said before turning to Gorka. "You, my friend, have been in 3 finals for a reason. You are a credit to this show. You help everybody. Everyone in the final had tips from you. You are a credit to your family." To Gemma and Mia, the Countryfile star continued in an emotional tribute to her dance partner. "I am very grateful that you have guided me through this adventure." As she finished her speech, the cameras panned to Gemma in the audience, who was struggling not to cry.